Samantala, aminado si veteran guard Chris Ross na ibang anyo ng Talk and Text Tropang 5G ang kanilang kahaharapin sa All-Filipino Finals, kaya't nakatuon ngayon ang Beermen sa tamang sistema upang mapatagal ang serye. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa pag-abante ni Carlo Villaseñor.
Aminado si Chris Ross na ibang hamon ang ihaharap ng TNT Tropang 5G sa pagbubukas ng PBA Philippine Cup Finals kontra sa San Miguel Beermen kahit pumasok bilang defending champions ang Beermen. Para kay Ross, malinaw ang kaibahan ng TNT ngayon kumpara sa huling finals meeting nila. Mas malalim at mas malusog ang lineup ng Tropang 5G, lalo na sa pagdating ni Gio Halalon at Kevin Ferrer at sa pagbabalik ng mga dating injured na key players, mga bagay na wala sa TNT noong nakaraang conference.
We just played, I think, 6 months ago. I think so. The teams are pretty much the same. I know they've added Gio, they've added Ferrer, and they've gotten a lot healthier. That helps a lot. So it's gonna be a battle because we knew that they were kind of short-handed last conference with all their injuries. And, they're kind of healthy. They're more healthy now than they were last conference. So that gives them a little bit of an edge. So we just got to be ready. We know that they're gonna be at their A game, and we got to be at our A game as well.
Sa kabila nito, iginiit ng veteranong guard na hindi paghahambing kundi paghahanda ang magtatakda ng serye. Anya, kailangan na sa pinakamataas na antas ang laro ng San Miguel dahil inaasahan garon din ang ipapakita ng TNT.
We're not here to deprive anything. We're here to win our own. So we don't really worry about who's on the other side. We try to be at our best, and we feel like if we're at our best and we're playing San Miguel basketball, then we give ourselves a chance to win against any team.
Bitbit ng Beermen ang kumpiyansa mula sa mahirap na semi-final series kontra Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, kung saan kinakailangan nilang sumalo ng sunod-sunod na momentum swings bago tuloy umabante sa final sa likod ng makasaysayang Game 6 performance ni CJ Perez. Binigyan din ni Ross na ang Game 1 ay mahalaga, ngunit hindi sukatan na magiging resulta ng serye. Ayon sa kanya, may mga pagkakataon na natalo ang San Miguel sa opening game, ngunit nagawan bumawi at kontrolin ang kabuuan ng finals.
It's important, but it's not the end-all be-all. We lost Game 1 of this past series, and we were able to bounce back. We lost Game 1 of the last finals. We were able to bounce back. So it's good to win Game 1 to get off on the right foot, but it's not the end-all be-all. And it doesn't mean you're gonna, even if you do win, doesn't mean you're gonna win the series. So we just want to come out and play our best, and we feel like if we play our best, we'll give ourselves a chance to win.
Pagdating sa mga usaping gaya ng tinaguriang secret weapon na si rookie Chris Miller, simple ang pananaw ni Ross. Handa ang bata kapag tinawag ng numero, anuman ang sitwasyon ng laro.
I'm not the coach, so I know if he gets his number called, he'll be ready. He's been practicing well, he's been getting his work in. We know what type of player he is, so I'm sure that if coach calls his name, whether it's in a close game or whether it's minutes at the end of a lopsided game, he's going to go in there and prove himself. So I got faith in him. The team has faith in him. He has faith in himself. So whenever his number's called, I'm sure he'll deliver.
Hindi raw kwento, emosyon o kasaysayan ang iniintindi ng Beermen sa pagbubukas ng final sa Antipolo. Para kay Ross, malinaw ang direksyon ng San Miguel, maglaro ng tamang basketball, manatiling kalmado at bigyan ng sarili ng tsansang manalo sa bawat gabi ng serye. Ako si Carlo Villaseñor, Abante Sports, now na!